Hey everybody! I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of this Apocabox. Now this is actually the August 2019 Apocabox, and I will be unboxing it and reviewing it in this video. Now this Apocabox actually has a little bit of everything. And for those of you that don't know, the Apocabox is a bi-monthly subscription-based survival box. So basically, it comes every second month, and it's a subscription model, so you get subscribed to the box, you get it every second month, and it has survival items in it. A bi-monthly subscription-based survival box. All right, now I like it because it simply comes with a little pamphlet, which means that more of your money is going to actually go into the cool stuff that comes in the box. I have to say I am unbelievably impressed with this box. I took a look at it, obviously, just to sort of get myself familiar with it, and I'm going to be going through everything that comes inside of this box. First is the LifeStraw. This thing is absolutely awesome. If you are going somewhere where the water is not drinkable and you want to make it drinkable, basically, this is the thing for you. I mean, it's so easy to use. I'm sure you know what this is. This was so popular. It still is popular, but for a while, it was unbelievably popular. And it was just everywhere. And basically, it's a personal water filter. Use it to drink water and turn it into drinkable water. Next up is the French Voyager felling tomahawk head. Okay, check this thing out. This is a tomahawk head. I'm not going to open it up from the tape right now. I don't want to get myself cut or anything like that. I'm in my car. I don't want to rip up the seats, basically, in case I drop it. And it is quite sharp. But this is a tomahawk head. Now, you'll notice it actually doesn't come with a handle. And what you can do, and what they want you to do, is actually make your own handles. You can see the shape of the tomahawk. Now, this is pretty much great for anything. Whatever you want to do in a survival situation, a tomahawk this size can accomplish it. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm really glad that they included it. The next one is Liberty Gun Lube. So basically, if you take a look, where did it go? I saw it over there. Right over here. Obviously, this is meant for specific things. However, you can also use it, I believe it's said, to coat carbide blades. Let's see here. Carbon blades. So it's also a good, perfect protective coating for carbon blades. So if you want to coat a carbon blade, you can use this. It's great for protecting them and obviously for keeping them nice and sharp because of the lubrication properties. Next up on the list is a LifeStraw lantern flashlight. Check this thing out. Look at this. Look at the size of this thing. Obviously, when you're going camping, when you're going hunting, when you're going anything survival-based, you want things to be small, okay? Check this thing out. Look at the size of this thing. It's so small. You can see it actually has a USB charging cable. So if you are carrying along a portable charger, one of those little portable charging devices, you can use that to charge this up, and then this is going to last for a long time. Really easy to use. Simple switch on it and a charging cable. And it provides enough light to illuminate a good area in front of you, and it's very lightweight and very small. You can essentially clip this onto your bag or onto your belt or onto your belt loop or anything like that, onto your bag that you're carrying with you, and it will illuminate. And that's really what you're looking for, right? If you're going somewhere where it's going to be dark, you need something to light it up. Next up is the orange screw ground anchor. Check this thing out. If you are anchoring something into the ground, sometimes you got to anchor something into the ground, and you want an additional anchor. Even if something comes with 3, 4, 5 anchors, 2 anchors, but you want an additional one, this is perfect for you. In addition, if you want to anchor something into the ground and it doesn't come with an anchor, this is also a great option. You can see it's nice and long. Look at the length of this thing, okay? And it's also feels like the tip feels really sharp, number one, so it's gonna go and dig through the ground nicely, but it feels really, really, really strong, okay? But also lightweight, which is another thing that you're looking for. It's absolutely great in my honest opinion. This is my favorite thing, the next one, okay? I'll tell you why. The next thing is the Harvest Sickle. Okay, number one, check out this thing. It has a protective backing on it right now. But check this thing out. All I think about with this thing is when I used to play Diablo on the computer and I would get, you know, certain weapons. And this is what it reminds me of, one of these things, okay? I used to be the necromancer, I remember. And the necromancer wouldn't use this, but when I use certain characters, this is like, boom, it just brings back those memories. But in all honesty, with all joking aside, this is something that is extremely useful. Nice and long, lightweight, gives you a good amount of leverage, and you can use it to harvest and almost do anything. I mean, it's sharp enough and it has a nice enough curvature to it that you can use it for pretty much anything that you need it for. Last but not least is the Screw Pop Bic Mini Lighter Holder. Okay, now, yes, we know we can rub the wood together and make a fire. Yes, I get it. But sometimes you just want to start a fire with a lighter in a survival situation for speed, and also just because you might be tired. You might want to preserve your energy for hiking the next day. This is a simple lighter holder, very simple mini lighter holder. It clips on and then the lighter just goes in here. I mean, it literally could not be easier to use, and it literally could not be more perfect just for something to keep on you, right? It keeps it simple, it keeps it nice and close to you so you're not going to lose it and so forth. It's just a great thing overall. And that's basically it. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box. I have unboxed everything as far as I know. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.